Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Grand Turk, Turks and Caicos. Gift shops here at Caribbean Outpost. Mix and match, hats and caps, all kinds of trinkets, souvenirs, people chilly on this side. It is starting to rain, so this will test the waterproof part of this camera. Ron John Surf Shop, Diamonds International, many plants. In the center, you can see the flowers, the palm trees. On this side, you can see Tanzanite International on ice cream, and an area where people are usually playing music, but they're not out at the moment, maybe because of the starting rain. Over to this side, some more shops. Looks like Island Outfitters. People taking shelter from the rain, but it's just a drizzle, not a big deal. I'm out here recording. Silver Sun. Looks like more jewelry and similar items. Milano Diamond Gallery. More hats up here. And looks like an area where people are taking excursions or booking excursions. You can see the duty-free shop where I came in. Piranha Joe official store. You can see all kinds of clothing inside. Shirts, scarves, hoodies, and much more. Sunglasses, magnets, all kinds of themed items. On this side, in the map of the area, Grand Turk Cruise Center. Here at the Welcome Center, various churches, town pond, beach. We have some salting, famous for that. Rare earth mineral, perhaps, or common mineral. Ice cream on this side that's open, but no one seems interested. Trading port on this side, and a Margaritaville location. We have a fountain or fountains in the center, spouts, and some music playing. We'll try to not get the copyrighted music in here. We have a bird, or maybe a parrot, mascot for Margaritaville, and the Margaritaville trading post. On this side is the Margaritaville pool. Very large pool in this area, I suppose, for those that don't want to be on the beach. Changing rooms to the side, and people in the water. People shouting that it's raining, although I think that's obvious. We have some shaded areas. Coming to the end, you can see various pavilions, cabanas that people probably have to rent for lots of money, and the rest of the area to walk around. So nice port area here at Grand Turk, Turks and Caicos. Nice clear swimming area. For those that don't want to be at the beach, perhaps avoiding the sand, or just looking for a different place to be. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.